Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet one of many different variations of the Houndstooth Crochet Stitch. This is my favorite way to make this beautiful stitch because it's the easiest, I think. For this project I use two colors of yarn Super 8 and a 5mm hook. So now we are going to start with the foundation chain, and this foundation chain needs to be in multiple of 2 plus 1. So now chain 21 for this little sample. Okay, now we do one single crochet into the second chain from hook. Then we do one double crochet into the next chain. And now we're going to repeat this sequence. So, first one single crochet into the next chain. Then we do one double crochet into the next one. One single crochet into the next chain, one double crochet into the next one, and continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this row. And now we do the last double crochet. So now pay attention because we're going to change color. So we leave two loops, only two loops on the hook. So we do one double crochet incomplete. So yarn over. Insert the hook into the last chain, yarn over, and pull through the first two loops. So now wrap the new color, the contrast color. Don't cut the white yarn. So wrap the new color around the end of the hook and pull the new yarn through the loops to start the new color. So now chain 1, then turn the work, and now we will be carrying the unused color of yarn and working over it for an entire row until you need it again, of course. So do not cut the yarn at the end of the row. And now we are going to repeat the last row. So first we do one single crochet into this first stitch. Then we do one double crochet into the next one. Then we do one single crochet into the next stitch. Then we do one double crochet into the next one, and remember to carry the yarns until the end of this row. And all we have to do now is to continue to repeat this sequence, one single crochet, then one double crochet, until the end of this row. So now pay attention. We do the last double crochet incomplete. So we leave 2 loops on the hook. And now insert the white yarn into the 2 loops. So now we are ready to start another row. Remember to carry the previous color with you across the rows by crocheting over it. So now to begin a new row, first chain 1, then turn the work. Then we do one single crochet into the first stitch here. Then we do one double crochet into the next one. Then continue to alternate single crochet and double crochets until the end of this row. So first one single crochet. Then we do one double crochet into the next one. So now we do the last double crochets. Pay attention because we're going to change color as we did before. And now we are going to alternate single crochet and double crochets as we did before. So remember, first chain 1, then turn the work. Remember to carry the previous color with you across the rows. So first single crochet, 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Then we do 1 double crochet into the next one. And continue to alternate single crochet and double crochets until the end of this row. And all we have to do now is to repeat this until we will reach the desired length. The Houndstooth stitch is a textured, beautiful stitch and very easy to crochet, perfect for the beginners. This stitch is the perfect choice for your first project. I think the Houndstooth stitch works very well to crochet cardigans, sweaters, tops, baby blankets, fall jackets and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!